Explore the streamlined capabilities of Retable's Find and Filter features, crafted to quickly locate and refine your data. Effortlessly navigate your tables, instantly finding specific entries and concentrating on relevant information with just a few clicks. The Find feature in Retable allows you to swiftly search for specific text within your table, making it easier to navigate through large datasets and pinpoint the exact information you need. Click on the Find option located on the top toolbar of your table, or simply use the shortcut Command, Ctrl, and F to open the Find field. Enter the word or phrase you wish to search for in the provided text box. This feature will highlight and navigate you through occurrences of your search term within the table. Use the Enter key or the navigation arrows within the Find tool to cycle through the search results, which allows you to quickly review all instances of your query. Once you've located the data, Retable's Replace feature enables you to update individual or multiple instances of that data, facilitating efficient data management and ensuring consistency across your table. After finding the desired data, activate the Replace function in the Find tool to modify the located data. Use the Replace option to change the currently highlighted occurrence of the found data with your new specified data. If you need to update all instances of the found data within your table, use the Replace All option. This action will substitute every occurrence of the search term with the new data you provide. Filtering enables you to display only the records that meet certain criteria, making it easier to focus on specific segments of your data or to find particular records quickly. Click the Filter icon to start defining your criteria. Select the column to filter, then choose the condition like is, contains, is before, and etc., and specify the value or values to filter by. Add multiple filters if needed, specifying whether they should work together as AND conditions or conditions. Deactivate filters without deleting them using the eye icon, lock them to prevent changes in shared views, or remove them entirely with the trash icon. You can also apply multiple filters and use them together. Retable's Find and Filtering feature is a powerful tool designed to enhance your efficiency in managing data. With just a few clicks, you can seamlessly search for and update information, ensuring your tables remain accurate and up to date. Embrace this functionality to simplify your data management tasks and maintain the integrity of your datasets in Retable.